water leaks, the impact can be huge. It took 4 months to repair this road in Birmingham last year. Sometimes leaks are easy to spot. Underground, they can go undetected for months or years. This is a new approach to a very old problem.
We've got the drone attached to a really sensitive thermal camera that's going to be flying the length of the pipe where we need to trace the leak.
This is a demonstration, but Anglian Water will next week begin trialling a new way of finding leaks. With heat-detecting drones in the air, a mix of hydrogen and nitrogen will be pumped into pipes.
By putting the gas inside the pipe, we can then see that outside the pipe as if it was emitting from a pinprick in a balloon, and we can see the gas inside the soil. And that's much more easy to pick up on a thermal imaging camera than, say, the escaping water.
Images of pipes will be carefully analysed. It's hoped the tiniest of leaks will be picked up by the thermal cameras on the drones. It's a far cry from the traditional method of finding leaks that's still widely used. Damien, what are you listening for?
I'm listening for water escaping out of a pipe under pressure, which is creating a whooshing sound.
Some leaks are caused by old, corroded pipes. Sometimes low temperatures and ground movement are to blame. It's a very, very old-fashioned piece of technology, isn't it?
This just gives you an idea that there's a leak within a vicinity of where you're working. It doesn't pinpoint exactly where.
New attempts to tackle the problem have been welcomed by the Consumer Council for Water, which represents customers.
What they see is big companies that make a lot of profits wasting water, and that just really winds customers up.
Next month, the Consumer Council will publish its annual report on leakage across England and Wales.
Leakage is going up by about 1%. There was a lot of progress immediately after privatisation in the early 90s, but that progress has now stopped.
Some companies have improved leakage rates and different criteria are used to measure progress. But when it comes to cubic metres of water leaked per kilometre of pipe, the worst performers are United Utilities in the northwest of England, third from bottom, then South Staffordshire Water, and in last place, Thames Water. Its leakage rate is over twice the national average. All three companies told us that reducing leakage was a priority and that more resources were being committed to tackling the problem. But with more than 3 billion litres leaking from UK water pipes each day, the challenge won't be draining away anytime soon. Tim Muffet, BBC News.